Today we are mastering building a RAG application. Your first smart search bot with external data. Let's dive right in. Ever wished your AI chatbot could answer questions about your specific documents or the asterisk latest news? Not just what it was trained on? Standard AI models, like ChatGPT, are amazing, but they have limits. They can forget recent info, make things up, hallucinate, or simply not know about your private data. Today, we're building a smart search bot that fixes these problems using something called RAG. Get ready to give your AI a super-powered research assistant. Imagine asking a super smart friend about a book they've never read. They can guess, but they won't know the exact details. Large language models, LLMs, are like that. They're trained on vast amounts of general internet data, but they don't know about your company's latest quarterly report, your personal notes, or today's specific stock prices unless that info was part of their training data, which is usually old. They can also sometimes confidently make things up. This is called hallucination. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's like giving your super smart friend a superpower. The ability to quickly look up information from a specific library before answering your question. Retrieval means finding relevant information, and augmented generation means enhancing the AI's answer with that found information. Instead of just guessing, your AI now has actual facts from your chosen source to work with, making its answers much more accurate and reliable. To build our smart search bot, we need a few key pieces, working together like a well-oiled team. 1. Your external data. This is asterisk your specific library, could be PDFs, web pages, company documents, or a database. 2. The librarian. Vector database and embeddings. This system helps organize and quickly find information within your library. It understands the asterisk meaning of words, not just keywords. 3. The researcher. Retrieval. The part that actively searches your library for the most relevant pieces of information based on your question. 4. The summarizer composer. LLM. Our big AI model that takes the research findings and your question, then crafts a clear, accurate answer. Imagine your library has thousands of huge books. To find answers quickly, you wouldn't read every book cover to cover. Instead, you'd index them. Chunking. We first break down your big documents, like a long PDF, into smaller, manageable chunks or sections. Think of these as individual index cards for a specific topic. Embedding. Next, we use a special AI tool called an embedding model to convert each text chunk into a series of numbers, called a vector. This vector isn't just a random number. It mathematically represents the asterisk meaning of the text. Similar meanings get similar number patterns. Vector database. We store these meaning vectors in a special vector database. Our smart librarian. This database is optimized for finding similar number patterns super fast. Now, someone asks our bot a question. What are the Q3 sales figures? Single quote. 1. Question to vector. Your question also gets converted into its own meaning vector using the same embedding model. 2. Finding similar meanings. The vector database then quickly compares your question's meaning vector to all the stored chunk vectors. It finds the chunks whose meanings are most similar to your question. These are your most relevant index cards for the topic. 3. Retrieving relevant chunks. The system pulls out these top 2 to 5, or however many we configure, most relevant text chunks. These are the factual snippets our AI will use to formulate an answer. Finally, we combine everything to get a precise answer. 1. We send your original question and the asterisk retrieved relevant text chunks to our powerful LLM. Like GPT-4. 2. The LLM now acts like a super smart analyst. It reads your question, carefully reviews the provided factual chunks, and then generates a concise, accurate answer based only on the information it was given from your external data. Why is this awesome? Accurate and specific answers are grounded in your data, reducing guesswork. Up to date, you can update your external data library anytime, making your AI current. Reduces hallucinations. The AI is less likely to make things up because it has specific facts to refer to. Explainable. Often, RAG bots can even tell you which source document the information came from. As a developer, you'd use specific tools and libraries to implement each step of this RAG pipeline. Python is a popular language for this, leveraging libraries like LangChain or LlamaIndex to orchestrate the entire process. You'd also choose from various embedding models, e.g., OpenAI's or open-source alternatives, and integrate with a vector database, like Pinecone, ChromaDB, or Weaviate. The good news is, these tools abstract away much of the complex AI ML magic, letting you focus on building the application. You're now ready to empower your applications with context-aware intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.